Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. Dow Weather Updates. And today's video, I'll look at the radar first, and then the precipitation on what's going to happen in the next few days, and then the GFS, and then the other models, because we're going to see, as now it's going to be seen in the UKV, we are starting to see much cooler temperatures going into next week. It's only going to be a few days, but still, it is going to be quite a below average day coming on for next week. In terms of the radar, that rain that I talked about for the weather warning has now cleared away, as you can see, into the West Atlantic, giving it just at least for now dry conditions, at least for the morning. It does say slight chance of rain for now. As you can see here, there was a little bit of a front from the North Sea. However, there's also another front pushing in from the south. Again, they're giving it more rain, and this will push in to northern Cornwall as well. As you can see here, maybe pushing over a little bit more north as well. Now have a look at the temperatures. Probably a lot cooler. In fact, it was quite a warm day yesterday. I think we got 28 yesterday in some areas. I know some areas got 29. I think that was a little bit exaggerated. And then if we have a look at the temperatures, again, still holding on to that warm air coming into Scotland. You can see a little bit more oranges, maybe a few more heat into the southeast, and a little bit cooler into Leeds. So yeah, it'll be mildly cool day, cloudy and cool day for now. Now have a look at the precipitation and cloud. You can see for today there was a band of something, a rain pushing in from the south. That will be pushing into Cornwall again, to the same area of where that weather warning was. So I wouldn't be surprised if there's another yellow weather warning. There's also some more thundery rain pushing into the areas of Norwich. That's going to push into northwestern England and into the south. Again, more heavy rain just coming. I don't know if it's thundery. Let's have a look. It could be thundery. Actually, it might be. You can see here. Bits high energy is moving in as well into Sunday, so you could see a few wisps of a rumble of thunder to be mixed into that rain coming into Sunday. So a little bit unsettled for Sunday. Again, some more showers lingering into northwest Scotland, and then that's going to be pushing to the southeast. And then on to Monday evening, a fairly clear day for most areas, maybe a few scattered showers in the north and Scotland. And then it's going to be turning a little bit worse into Tuesday for Scotland. We still might see some rain, possibly heavy on the hills, as you can see on the Highlands. That could move down a little bit into England as well. Again, overall, a few showers into the south, still some showers in the Scotland area, but still could see some clear spells, mostly to the north, as these will be fastly moving. A nice clear night actually for Wednesday, so but we still might see some showers. Oh, you can see here we might even get some hill snow. So you can see it is in that temperature. Like I said, it was going to get quite cold. I didn't know it was going to be that cold, so we might actually see some first signs of snow, which is a bit ridiculous for September. So we'll have to see what happens there. Again, I can see, and this is Thursday, so it's going to be quite cool on Thursday. I'll put the temperatures on in a little bit to show you how cool it's going to be up there. Now, having a look at temperatures, it will be decreasing throughout the week as that cooler air mass pulls in. However, for today, it's only going to get to, well, it's still quite warm actually. We've still got 20s in Scotland, might even reach mid-high teens in Northern England with a 20, and also 24 is possible in the southeast. And then on to Sunday. Again, a little bit cooler actually. It will be getting cooler. Mostly 20s, low 20s in the south. 22 is possible. And then into Scotland. Still have that warmer air. 21 is possible in the areas of like, Glasgow. With still in the northwest, mid to high teens to 20. With that, it will feel a bit colder with that heavy rain pushing in. And you can see into Monday, it is a lot cooler. You can see mid-teens in the north. Now getting back to mid to low teens in Scotland. We're still hanging on to 18 to 19, but I don't think we're going to be seeing 20 for now, as you can see here. And then on to Tuesday, we are getting that cooler air pushing in, actually much cooler air. I did say those hill snow. Yes, it could be. I saw 3 there. But yeah, main temperatures low teens and mid teens into north, and then even just mid teens in the southeast where all the cooler areas. And in some areas in Scotland, we're all going to see highs of 5. We've got quite widespread low digits, so God, really is cool as well. We could even see a 3 and even a 2. Very, very cool indeed for the average. Still holding on to low teens in the north, and then now all of the areas have got this really cool air, especially for September. It is very below average. Usually mostly seeing mild weather with rain, but it is cooler than I thought. With widespread low teens in most of England, maybe a 16, and then single digits in Scotland with hill snow possible, which is very unregular for September. And then into Wednesday, a little bit, just a tad bit warmer in Scotland, but still very cool. Still got still got low teens and even single digits in the north, and then again mid teens, maybe a touch warmer into the south with mid teens. And the same goes for Thursday, with very cool nighttime temperatures going all the way to 4 in the hills, maybe 3, with widespread 7 to 8 in the south. So very, very cool indeed, and hopefully very fresh as well. We'll have a look at that on the GFS. We can see here we are on an area of a lower pressure, and then on for tomorrow, that will open up and giving us that showers we saw from the heavy thunder showers we saw for tomorrow. And then onto Monday, we are getting a bit of a dip in the low pressure system onto Monday, and then that's going to open up into the floodgates, and that's going to go into most of England, giving it that cool air mass. And it will be moving, it will be quite slow moving. It will be, at least for the remainder of the Wednesday and Thursday, then another higher pressure, or at least warmer air mass, posing for a little bit for the further parts of September. Now, if I look at the MSLP 850 HPA temperatures, we can see how cold it will be for the next few days. We can see we can get to mid-high teens into Sunday, let's say, so that's ice there. And then, as you can see, we have an air mass system pushing in, and it's going to be starting on to Monday. Then on to Tuesday, that's when it's really getting there. It is first going to arrive to Scotland, and then it's going to actually go into, and then it's actually going to open up into most parts of England, giving it that really cool air that we saw on the radar. And then that's going to push in another, maybe some milder air will push in from the west, and then we'll be finishing off to mid-September. Okay. Now, if we look at the precipitation type, we can see if we're actually get any hail snow. It is very unlikely for this time of year, but it could be, as we have this warm air mass. It's not showing it now, but I do see a hint of pink, so we'll have to see what happens. We also can see that warm air mass pushing into the sun. So yeah, overall, it's going to be very cool indeed. Very, very calm and cool. There won't be as much precipitation with this as I thought, but still be quite a cool day for, especially for Wednesday, which will be the coolest day, which will be we see for this year. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.